Sure.
All right. Thank you so much for staying tuned in and seeing our next video in this series. I am with Hal Baker with Goosehead Insurance, and we just started a conversation that I thought was worthy of a recording. And this whole concept of buying insurance for your home. Hal, what were you just saying about, some of the more challenged are ones that are first-time home buyers?
So a lot of times when people buy a home, they don't understand all the different variations and the possibilities of coverage. It's kind of like a lot of things. If you go in to buy a car, there's all the extra bells and whistles, and the person, I just want a car, right? But homeowners insurance has a lot of bells and whistles. The reason we call them bells and whistles, though, is not every house has that exposure. So not every house has a finished basement that needs special coverage. Not every home has, you know, uh, a pole barn out in the back that they need additional amounts of coverage for. So a lot of times new home buyers, because they've never had a claim, they've never gone through this, they think all insurance is the same. They just, hey, I just want the cheapest insurance that's out there. So our job is to educate them on what insurance is out there and what those extra bells and whistles are, and walk them through why they may need it or they may not need it. And that's really a challenge. First, somebody who's, on their fifth, sixth, seventh house and they've been a homeowner for 20 years, maybe he's had a claim or two, and they understand now, oh my gosh, I wish I had had X coverage, and they understand it. So our job is just to educate people. Sometimes people are just in a hurry. They just want the cheapest deal. I just got to get this insurance in place so I can buy it. Make sure that you're talking with somebody about who's willing to take the time to walk you through those coverages and what they actually mean.
I think that's fantastic. And of course, I have one issue, and this is just for everybody that's watching. Anytime you have any water issues, anytime there's water that may have started in wherever it is not an issue to delay. Your insurance company may not even cover it if you delay. So and I'm not an insurance agent, and I know that one. And I just think it's important for people to realize you have to take any water leaks seriously.
Yeah, if I
Okay.
can jump right on there for you, Celeste. Every homeowner has a responsibility to mitigate a loss and keep it from becoming worse. A lot of times people think the insurance company is the one that sends people there to help you fix the solution. That's not the case. They're just the ones providing the money. So you as a homeowner, oh my gosh, my pipe broke. Well, I called my insurance company. I'm waiting for them to send somebody here. Your job is really to talk to the insurance company and then talk to a contractor to kind of get that problem at least stopped, mitigated, start the drying process. Obviously, you're not going to start making, huge cleanups and improvements and repairs until you've talked to the insurance company, but you do still have a responsibility to mitigate that loss to keep it from getting worse. You can't just stop back and just let it keep happening and it just gets worse and worse and worse. We have a responsibility to help take care of the situation as well.
That was spot on. All right. Well, thank you everyone for staying tuned in, and come back for our next video.